kicks so much ass, bro. I know unboxing videos can be pretty boring. We'll fly through. It'll only take a minute. Look at that case. We'll open this in a second. Dude, look at this tiny little case. This is great. I wonder if you could put this on an airplane, you know, as a carry-on. You know how people always have a hard time with that? I'll put a tape measure on this if you guys are curious. There's the guitar, all wrapped in foam. Fret wire protector. All right, we got humbucker single. Looks like we got a 5-way switch. Volume tone. None of these are push-pull. This is supposed to be a 25.5-inch scale. I think this is nickel silver frets. We got a 0 fret right here. This is what the inside of the case looks like. This feels thick, man. It's not thin. It'll protect the guitar well. I'd have no problem just kind of laying this thing around and not worrying about it. It's 34 inches from here to here. You may be able to mash it less, but I don't know exactly how much less. Let's see what we got in our accessory thing here. Looks like we got a manual. Just look at all of this information. Details showing you how to adjust everything, showing you how to tune it, showing you how to string it. Man, we have a guitar pick. Kind of looks like a Jazz 3 shape. They want you to shred on this thing, man. Here's a strap. I think this is a tool to adjust the truss rod right there. Oh man, we have more picks, different sizes. Look at that, man. Allen keys, extra screws for the string locks. I really like where this jack is, man. It's like really out of the way. This guitar plays great, man. This is the Donner HLX-500. This one is in a metallic green finish. I think there's 3 other colors available. These are ceramic passive pickups. We have a rosewood fingerboard, 12-inch radius. Looks like this is roasted maple. It looks like the neck carve is asymmetrical, like it changes as you go down. This is not a tremolo model. I guess you would call that a hardtail. The strings go through right here. 24 frets. This guitar is very simple. It has the roller truss rod adjuster. It's adjustable 2 different ways. The guitar is a nice weight. It's between 5 and 6 pounds. You can tell from me measuring the case about how long it is. One thing I like is it has the double row of the locking Allen screws here. Previously, I owned a Headless guitar and it only had 1 row of these across. So it's nice that there's 2. It's just the extra reinforcement. The other Headless I had, it didn't have this bar. You always had to meticulously cut the strings or they would stab you. Like you could run your hand across it. On the other guitar I had, you had to be like, you had to clip it and then pull it. You don't have to worry about that with this. It's got the bar here. It's great. You can just clip the strings normally. It doesn't matter. See, there's a little bit hanging out, but this protects your hand. The guitar tunes right here and it tunes very easily. To restring this, you just loosen this all the way up and I'm gonna guess instead of it being a hook system, it just runs right out the back. My previous Headless, you had to sit there and fish the ball in there until it eventually grabbed this hook and then you had to tighten this all the way up. You know, you had to run this all the way out and then, you know what I mean? That kicks so much ass, bro. I know, like, these days this isn't very popular anymore, the way I play, but maybe you can get an idea of what the tone's like, right? I don't know really anything else to say about it. I don't have anything bad to say about it. Okay, let's talk about some QC things. I am playing this straight out of the box. We just opened it. The action on it is about 30 seconds, and there's plenty of room to bring these saddles down. You can come down like that much farther. So the saddles aren't bottomed out. There's no risk of needing to shim the neck pocket. The finish looks great. I don't see any imperfections in the finish. There are no sharp frets. Yeah, so that's great. Those are the number one things you would see. Sharp frets, you know, frets not being dressed properly. Just pentatonic, who cares? That freaking sounds awesome, bro. Hey, I have a coupon code for this down below. There's also a link to the guitar. It is an affiliate link, but it's just a track that I sent you guys there. But you can save 15%. I think the code is Hank C. So you'll see it down below. You'll notice I have a whole playlist of Donner instruments on this channel. I've worked with them in the past. Donner's a good company. They reached out and asked me if I wanted to test this guitar out, and I said yes. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. And if you have any questions about this amazing guitar, just ask them below and I will answer them, since I may not have covered everything. Peace. Take care.